everyone. So today, Michael, my husband, had to go to work at a different city than he normally does. He had to go maybe about an hour and a half away, and he was able to get a job out there for the day. And then he is gonna come back home. I think he gets off like at 5, but because traffic is horrendous at that time, because we also live in LA, if you guys don't know, we live in LA, so traffic coming back from where he's coming is gonna be horrible. So he probably won't get home till about 7:30 or so. So it's basically just me and the baby today, which is okay, you know, I mean, I have no problem with it, but it gets stressful sometimes. So yeah, so today is just me and the baby. I have no plans on going out. I wanted to take him actually to story time at the library, but he woke up so early today that I think he's gonna be too tired. And story time is at 10, and he woke up like at 6:30, so I'm thinking he's gonna need a nap time around that time. So I don't know if I'm gonna take him. And then I have like a stuffy nose. I don't know why where's my spray? I don't know why every single morning I always get a stuffy nose. I don't know why. Are you guys like that? Okay, give me that. Go take it to the trash. Trash? Throw it inside. Throw it in the trash. In the trash. Good job! Yay! Are you okay? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
So if you've watched our channel enough, you know that that is a favorite, but it's my empties.
Awesome.
Okay. So
my goodness, I can't take my eyes off you. Come on. You have all these toys over here, but you want to go and play on top of the table. I need you. I need you. you doing? Are you a baby vlogger? Move your finger. They can't see you.
So these are the toys that get taken and he gets access during his quiet. All the others are sleeping.
Okay, give it to me. Give it to Mama. My midweek grocery trip. I got some pan dulce. We went to a Mexican market, so we got some pan dulce. Oh, so good. Got some bananas because we have no more bananas for the week, and I got some organic milk for Michael, and then I got some tortilla chips and some popcorn. I wasn't gonna get any, but I really wanted them, and I haven't had these kind of chips in a long time, and I really wanted some. My hot coffee turned into cold coffee, so then I just put it in the fridge to make it colder. Seriously? Really? Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on over here. Guys, I'm going bonkers. My child is not sleeping. Look at him, he got so excited when he saw the camera on. He's not sleeping! Oh my god! He took a nap earlier today and was probably asleep like 45 minutes, if that. And then he took another nap for maybe 45 minutes again. And normally, the second nap is about 45 minutes, but the first nap, sometimes even 2 hours. And even his nighttime sleep has been really bad lately. I kind of think he might be teething, but I'm not sure. Guys, Mama needs a break. I need a break. And 45 minutes is not enough for my break. So yeah, so I love him so much and I'm not mad, but it's just like, take a nap so I can have some downtime for a little bit. Please. I guess the good thing is that he's not like grouchy. Well, he is sometimes, but he's not grouchy right now, so that's good. And I'm glad. Come here, Michael. What are you doing? What are you doing? Dulce all over. Now he's cleaning the floor with the napkin it was on. Oh man. And I'm making some dinner. We're having chorizo bowls today. Sir, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. He's learned to climb on couches. Oh my goodness. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is not for you. Give this to me. This is Mama's list. Come on. You're fine. Come on. Michael's home.
I'm so tired.
He's tired. He just had dinner and I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. I swear I just saw somebody looking at us from that window right now.
Close the window.
Well, no, I know it wasn't anybody, but I think it was just the glare from your car window. Anyways, Michael just got home and he just finished having dinner. And yeah, he said he has a lot of energy, so I'm gonna let him run buck wild with the baby.
Cancel that.